So Manipura Chakra, the speciality of Manipura Chakra is your umbilical cord is, right? So the umbilical cord was connected to the mother before the child was born. So till that umbilical cord was there, you are taken care of. So all your food, excretion, everything, you don't have to worry, it is taken care of. So you are in a state of peace. So the moment umbilical cord is cut, there is a disconnection from that security. So umbilical cord is your connection to your energy of the universe. So that's why all your energy generation station is here. When you breathe in, that breath goes to the center, generates the energy. The food also generates the energy here. So this is your power station, energy station, the Manipura Chakra. This is the station of willpower also. There's a fire in the belly, they say, right? The power of the willpower also is from this center, right? So who is the god for Manipura Chakra is Surya, sun, because sun is the center of energy, all solar energy, the whole pranic energy. Sun is the center. Sun is the center of all energy, and it comes to Manipura Chakra, right? So the Manipura Chakra is where your willpower is, will to do action. I want to do this, I want to do that. So how does it start? The will from the fear, Mooladhara, the desire in the Swadhisthana. The fear or desire steer us into movement. Fear or desire start us, make us move, right? So the fear, what is the movement for us? What is the willpower for us? It's always fear and desire. So the fear and desire is gives rise to action in us, will in us, correct? Fear and desire leads to intention and then will. Look at any of your action, everything in the background is the fear, right? What will happen if this doesn't happen? What will happen if this, right? Or desire, I want this, I want that. Both will lead to the will. The energy has to be moved. The energy movement has to have happened from the Manipura Chakra, right? It's clear. So those who don't have a weaker will are related to the Manipura Chakra. A strong will is also related to Manipura Chakra. But a strong will or weaker will, both are related to the fear and desire. They are not from the higher instincts of life, not from love, compassion or wisdom, but the lower centers. Okay. So as you become more evolved, the higher centers affect the Manipura rather than the other way. The love, the wisdom, the compassion will steer the will rather than the fear and desire. Right? So let us do a Manipura Chakra meditation. Take your awareness to navel center. Do a couple of rounds of deep breathing. Into the Manipura Chakra. Breathe in, breathe out. Become aware of the navel. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe into the navel center, breathe out. Deep breath. Feel the sensation in the navel center. See how the mind becomes very calm. Sit silently. Become aware of your forehead. Be and let the natural breathing happen. asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya om shanti 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 open your eyes. So this, you have heard this thing called gut feeling. What is gut feeling?
Sensation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
What is that?
Instinct.
I think something is going to happen. The gut feeling is that
Hmm.
something is going to happen.
The gut feeling is sensation of something is going to happen, something bad or negative thing is going to happen. Okay, so because the Manipura chakra is connected to, is the energy center, so it's sensitive to energy. Okay, so and it's also connected to Muladhara and Swadhisthana, fear and desire. So if some dangerous thing or something is going to happen, this feeling sensation happens here. So when you did the meditation on the Manipura chakra, what happened?
Only when you take deep breath and focus on it, it will happen.
Hmm.
We apply to the standard
You told.
natural pattern and nothing happens.
Nothing happens. What happened?
Mind becomes peaceful.
Peaceful.
Silent.
Some circling around like this.
Energy movement,
A tingling sensation.
tingling sensations,
Vibration.
Hmm? vibrations.
Initially it was
Okay. Now we'll the same center we'll do another pranayama for that center, which is Bhastrika. So it's like this. First let's do Kapalabhati and then do Bhastrika. Kapalabhati pranayama is, so everybody's stomach is up, okay na? After food you give some gap, right? Breakfast. So like this. So we'll do for 300 rounds. Right? Difficult, eh?
stomach is full.
Stomach is full. Okay. So then we'll do after some time. Don't worry. We'll do after some time. We'll give some time. Let us do Bija Mantra chanting Ram at that center. Ram. 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 Experience the upward moving energy at that center from the Manipura. Ram. 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 ram 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 Sit silently with your neck slightly bent backwards. Become aware of Adna Chakra, energy movement in the Adna Chakra, all the way from Manipura. become aware of the peace, silence, energy movement. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So what is the effect of this meditation on Manipura chakra?
Because the energy created,
Mm.
I think when we tilted up, right?
Mm.
Through Atma, it bubbled out.
Right.
As if something is bursting out. And it continues to be there for some time.
Mm. Anybody else?
ಗುರೂಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
It's okay.
I felt the energy going towards Ajna.
I don't feel like opening my eyes also.
Good. So, the Ajna chakra is the center for your awareness.
Okay.
These are all your subconscious below your level of awareness.
Mm.
These centers are below your level of awareness. Understand? So your only conscious mind is only about 5%, and these are all subconscious, unconscious actions. So now by this process of simple meditation, your what you call as instinct becomes sharper and it comes to awareness. Animals didn't have that awareness level. Animals don't have that awareness and conscious mind as big as human mind. They have to live based on instinct in the forest, right? in the dangerous situation, all that they have to depend on is their instinct. But as you have become more human being, our instincts are all suppressed. All our, what is it?
Desire, wills, all are suppressed.
All the desires are not suppressed. What you call as instinctive reactions, instinct
Condition.
is not
Condition.
you don't listen to body. Right now that gets energetic connection gets established, and you will be able to more sensitive to what happens, what is likely to happen. Your body will be able to take action much more sharper way. For example, what happened?
Yeah.
What happened?
I was startled.
But you are not consciously thinking, right? Your body reacted.
Yeah.
Okay, so our body senses danger much faster than the conscious mind. Understand? So the center of that sensing is here.
Like reflexes.
All your reflexes, right? So you'll be able to sense and act. You means body is able to sense and act. This is the center of the body. Okay. Then it stimulates the liver and pancreas. So whereas Muladhara stimulates the balances the adrenaline gland. Swadhisthana balances the sex glands. Manipura balances the liver and pancreas.
No, you said it is this one for desire and will and all that. So once we think of this conscious mind, can it control? That control should come.
Yeah, that's why that will come, no? That's why the connection is to happen. Otherwise it will be subconscious, you will be urges. Now everything.
Because no desire, we are calm. No desire,
Yeah.
there's no desire.
Now you'll become more conscious of that, right?
Contentment level will come.
Peacefulness. So do you feel the silence and peace?
Yeah.
All of you?
No, after coming here itself, the silence has come.
Yeah.
This room.
No, otherwise also. She knows better. But I was not enough. Lot of this one is there.
11:20. You can break for a cup of coffee and come back. All right. Start again.
After drinking coffee, can we do that?
Give me some cap. I'll talk.